Welcome. If you want to get the most out of your experience on the X app by seeing ads that fit your interests, enabling personalized ads is the way to go. This feature lets X show you advertising tailored just for you, making your feed more relevant and engaging. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to turning on personalized ads on the X app. First, open the X app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look for your profile icon, usually at the top corner, and tap on it. This will take you to your account options. Next, find and tap on Settings and Privacy. This section contains all the important controls for your account settings and preferences. After that, tap on Privacy and Safety. This menu allows you to customize your privacy options and how your data is used. Within the Privacy and Safety section, you will see Ads Preferences. Tap on this to open your advertising settings. Finally, look for the option labeled Personalized Ads and toggle it on. By doing this, you are allowing X to show ads that match your activity and interests, giving you a more customized ad experience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled personalized ads on the X app. Now you'll start seeing ads that are more aligned with what you care about, enhancing your overall experience. Thanks for following along.